Can you hear my voice?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, hello. How are you? Hi.
I am good, thank you.
Tuhin, that's your name, right?
Yeah, this is Twin Hussain, this is Kamrun, our husband.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
My
Thank
name
you.
is Adeline. Yeah, I have saw the sample that your wife sent, and we like it quite a lot compared to the other freelancers. So, first of all, thank you for the samples. Um, I do have a couple of notes about the sample because we're considering of working with you guys uh, together. Um,
Okay.
I can put on my video as well so we can see each other. Um, okay.
Okay, you can share your screen and you can tell me how I need to send.
Yeah. So let me open the meet. Okay. So this yeah. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, this is the one that I received from you. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see your
Yeah.
screen.
So here we quite like it actually because yeah, basically what our company is doing is this is the second phase. We are trying to do some cleaning on our leads. Um, so mostly what we want to do is we want to get the website URL to our leads, to the company contact that we have currently. And what I really liked from your work is that you also updated, also, for example, even if I already put the website here, if the website is not working, you automatically update it. So I think that's a really good job. That's what we also want. So we want to make sure that we have the website URL the most updated and the correct one. Um, and then for the email also we want to update because, for example, currently we have the info email or the more general email, and uh, if it's possible, we also would want to find a personal email address to someone in the company.
Yeah, I will try my best to provide the contact person email from the company. And if I don't find the contact person email, then I will add the company general email like as info, contract, or
Yeah,
sales department.
yeah, of course. And then the updated company name is extra because usually what happens is that, for example, Um, sometimes we don't know the company name yet. So on the company name, we wrote the name of the person. So that's why I put updated company name because just in case you find the name of the company, the real one, you can also update it on the company name on this part.
Okay, I will update the company name as well if I can find the company updated company name.
Yeah. And then lastly for the notes, this notes is actually for verification purpose. So um, we want that for every information you fill in, you also leave a link that directed to where you find the information. So, for example, if you find from LinkedIn, then we want the LinkedIn link to the person. Or if it doesn't work, and for example, you really cannot find anything else, then we want kind of like the Google search result link, if that's possible. So if I click on it, then I can see, okay, this is the keyword you use, and it doesn't result anything.
Okay, so do I need to put the source link from the note column, right?
Yeah, on the notes column, and you have to put it when you find it, but also when you don't find it. So both verification we can do.
Okay, I understand. I can do that.
Yeah. So that's, I think, mostly the only extra that I have, because other than that, I quite like the work. I do want to discuss more of the technical part with you, if that's okay.
Yeah, all okay for me, and thank you so much for appreciation my works.
Yeah, of course. I will explain to you a bit about the company so you can also get more information. The name of our company is Be Futurist. You can look us up on befuturist.com. We are a beauty trading company based in Rotterdam, in the Netherlands. And we currently have around 23,000 to 25,000 leads. And out of all of them, around 8,000 or 9,000 are incomplete. So they have at least one value missing or more. And basically, our current target is to be able to get complete information on this 8,000 leads. The most priority information we want is website URL to the company website. And if they don't have a company, then the link to the Facebook market or the link to Instagram. And the second one is their email. We prefer to get the personal email, but of course, if it's not possible, then we also appreciate the info or the contact or the general email. Um, and then we also want to update the company name. All of our leads, they are all, or the majority, like 95 to 99%, they're all from the beauty industry. So they're, can you still hear me fine?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
So I understand your concern. So
Mm-hmm.
do I need to find the updated email if available? And if not available, then I need to add the company Facebook URL or company LinkedIn page or Instagram, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, I will update as per your requirement with the company website and update email address. Also, I will add the note. Basically, this email I have found the company website, and then I will research. I have researched the Google, and then I have collect the
Yeah,
updated email address. So I will add the source link as well. No problem.
yeah, yeah. I think the source link can be the LinkedIn link. It can also be the Google search result, or for example, as you mentioned, if you find the email from the website, then you can also really leave the specific website link that leads to that email.
Okay, okay, sure, I will do that.
Yeah. And then yeah, our company, we are working in the beauty industry, so most of our leads, they're all wholesaler, distributor, or ECA from all over the world. We have, I think, over 75 countries, but they're all working on the beauty industry. So for your reference, yeah, if you also see that they're not in the beauty industry, that might also help you to, have more keywords. The products that we're trading are fragrances, cosmetics, hair care, and dermal fillers. So they should be around this category. But if some of them are not in that category, you can just leave it as well. We would still count your work, so that's not a problem. Um, I do, however, have a question for you because since you're working with a company, we want to be able to cooperate with you outside of Fiverr. Is that something, a possibility for your side?
No, basically it's not possible because I want to work with you on the marketplace because it's important to work in the marketplace. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
it's quite difficult to work with the out of marketplace. So
Yeah,
let's do the whole work in this marketplace because I love my marketplace and I don't want to go with other side.
yeah, because as per the company rule, we wanted to have a contract between you directly, between us, the company, and you, with a contract, and we want to be able to send you the invoice from our company directly to you and not to a third party like Fiverr. So yeah, unfortunately, this is not something that I have control over. So is it maybe something that you can consider?
I understand your concern, but for the first time, let's work with this marketplace. And don't worry about the quality and about the invoice. I will send the invoice as well, no problem for
Yeah.
your company reference.
Yeah, because what we want is that first we can create maybe a contract between our company and you, and if the both parties agree to sign, then we can start working, and then maybe at the end of the month, or we can create a milestone for every couple thousands of leads, then we can clear the payment. Um, but we would really prefer not to use Fiverr because we want to create kind of a long-term relationship with you also.
Yes, I understand, but I don't go with the outside of marketplace. I would love to work with the marketplace. If you saw the sample and if you saw my saw my work, then we should continue work with this marketplace.
Okay. Let me put that down.
I think there is a no problem. There will be no issue. I will send you the invoice as well as, and I will send you the update through the marketplace.
Yeah, I really understand from a personal side because I'm also a Fiverr seller myself.
Yeah.
But the request of my company is something that I cannot really control. So I would need to yeah, discuss this internally again with my line manager. Um,
Okay.
but um
I
maybe
think, yeah, I think if you explain your marketing department or if you explain your company, then I hope they will approve the work through the marketplace. I think so.
Yeah, because we the thing is that the company's concern was that if it's through a marketplace, we have to make the payment upfront, even though you don't directly receive the money, and that's something that is impossible to do in our company because we cannot just send the money without having the delivered data ready. So that was the concern on my company side. Yeah, do you have any maybe alternatives that we can do?
Okay, let me check. So, can you please tell me how many total of company do you have?
How sorry? How many what?
How many company do you have? Total of company?
Uh, the total contact or the total leads, you mean?
Yeah, total leads do you
Yeah,
need?
we have 25K, but the one that we have, we need updated data is currently around 8,000. The number I'm not sure because I our company is going to give you the invoice based on the field you fill in. So even though there's 8,000 rows, it might be possible that there's more data to be filled.
Okay, I understand it. So, can you please send me your full list for my further review?
I'm unable to send you the full list, but if you agree, then if we have the contract in place, then I can send you maybe every 1,000 leads or every couple of thousand.
Uh, okay, so do you have any budget for every 1,000 leads?
Yeah, that was also my question for you. So, what do you have any proposed number for every field?
Basically, I charge $200 for every 1,000 leads. So for the if this is the big project and I would love to give you the discount, so I will charge you only 150 USD for 150 USD for every 1,000 leads. I hope that would be work for you.
But there is some leads that, for example, need three information, and there's leads that only need one information. So how do you do the calculation? Is it possible that maybe you give me the number for every field? So how many it costs for one email address, one website URL, like for every one field?
I understand your concern. Some of the leads do need I need to find only one field like email or like a website. So we can do one thing. We can do a full package for the 8,000 leads or for the 20K leads. It's not a big deal. So we can deal for the full projects, not the 1,000 or 2,000. Right?
Sorry, can you please repeat? I don't really understand it.
We can do one thing. Do we can set the price for the full project. So not the 1,000 leads or not the 2,000 leads, we can deal for the full project.
For the whole data, you mean?
Yeah, for the whole data, we can do but we can deal for the whole data, and we can set the price.
Yeah, but again, with the data, I cannot really tell you how many fields we need to fill in. So I think it will be easier if the price is for every field.
Okay.
So for every field, and then what another price point for every if you complete one row, because sometimes you only need to put website or only need to put email because everything else is updated and correct, and sometimes you might have to find everything because it's incorrect data. So maybe you can have two price point. What happens if it's only per field, and how much will it cost if it's for one whole row, one entire row?
Okay, so I will charge you only 0.15 cents for every row. That means I will charge for the $150 for 1,000 rows,
Mhm.
and 15 cents for one cell or one row.
So one cell is 0.05. That's correct?
Yeah, yeah, 0.05 cents.
Okay, okay. And
Not 0.05. Yeah, if you need the three, if I find the one cell or 1 point, then I will charge 0.05. And if I find the 3 point or three cell, then I will charge for the 3 point, I will charge 15 cents, 1.0 0.15 cents.
yeah, yeah. Okay. I understand. And then yeah, if it's around 8,000 data, roughly give or take, how long do you think this will take you?
For 8,000 contracts or 8,000 leads, I need at least 10 to 15 days to complete the task properly. I
Okay.
hope that would be okay for you.
Yeah, of course, of course. So around 2 weeks, so to say.
Yeah, around 2 weeks for the quality work. Basically, I have an expert team, so I can complete the tasks before the date. So don't worry about the turnaround time.
Okay, that is perfect. And then, yeah, back to the working part. Will it be okay if I set a contract between you and my company?
I understand. I understand your concern. But it's quite difficult to work with outside of marketplace.
Hmm.
So I think I prefer to work with these marketplaces actually.
Okay, okay, I understand.
Yeah,
I will try to convince my line manager for this
yeah,
matter.
yeah,
And I will try to get back to you by the end of this today. Currently, it's 2 p.m. in the Netherlands, so I will try to get you back to you by the end of the working day today.
yeah.
Um,
I think they will approve. They will approve your request, and you can. I can ensure you will get the high quality leads from the other seller or other freelancer, because I have 7 years of experience in this research, data entry or research fields.
yeah, I understand. Okay. Um, well, okay then. Thank you. So for you, it's 100% has to be through the application,
Okay, thank you so much
right?
for your time.
That's no. I want to confirm again. So for with to work with you, I have to use 100% the application, right? There's no possible way.
Yeah, I can complete the tracks within the 2 weeks.
Okay. Yeah, because again the main issue with Fiverr is we still have to put the money up front. So I can already tell you that the chance will look a bit slim from my company side, but I will try my best.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
No problem. Okay, Tuhin, thank you for today, and also thank you to your wife for the cooperation. I
Yeah,
will
thank you
get back
so
to
much.
you soon. Thank you
Bye
so
bye.